Welcome to the American Dream. I'm your host, John Keifer, and today we're on the east side of Oahu in a Honolulu suburb called Hawaiʻi Kai. First, we're going to meet the owner and executive chef of a very popular restaurant here called Maile Thai Bistro. And then we're going to head over to the windward side of the island and check out a really unique home there with our good friend, Elizabeth La Riva. Want to see for yourself what I'm talking about? Okay, let's go meet her. Maile!
Hi! Hi, Johnny.
How are you?
How are you? I'm good, I'm good.
So good to see you.
So good to see you. I hope you're hungry.
Oh my goodness, look what you have here.
I know, I got lots going on here.
Wow.
Yeah, I got you a som yum blanc.
Thank
It goes
you.
well with our Thai food.
Okay.
Okay, so what do you want to start with? Curry, noodles?
Should we start with the award winner first?
Oh, yes. Okay, so yes, this is our Thai Loco Moco.
Okay.
And I actually won an award for this. I won first place. It was at the Rice Festival right by our award location.
Nice.
And I made Thai Loco Moco.
Maile, this is awesome. Look how great this is. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I hope you can eat all of it.
Yeah, we'll have to work on that. But
Yeah.
so how long have you had this location open?
So this location, we opened on 2008.
Okay.
So a long time ago.
It was a long time ago. So
Yeah.
how is it that, I mean, there's lots of Thai restaurants in Hawaii. How is it that yours stands out?
Well, when I first opened here, there weren't many Thai restaurants around, especially in Hawaiʻi Kai, and also in downtown Honolulu. I really wanted to do something different, and because I was born in Laos but was raised in Hawaii, I blended the two. I blended
nice.
traditional Lao Thai food and also local food here. This is why we have
Yeah,
the
the
Loco Moco, you know,
Nice.
and the lechon is not really traditionally, it's not a Thai dish, but I put some Thai Lao spices to it. And I also, what I did that sets us apart from other Thai restaurants is I tried to incorporate friendly Thai dishes that's not so spicy.
Right. Is it safe to say that these recipes are yours?
Yes, I mean, you know, in Thai Lao, we all have our, just like Italians, they all have their basic recipe, and it's what you put in that's different and sets it apart from other recipes.
Nice.
Yeah. So
Awesome.
yeah. Ready to dig in?
Yeah, let's give it a shot.
Okay.
Wasn't Maile great? I hope you enjoyed it. So now we're gonna head over the mountains to Kaneohe, where Elizabeth La Riva is waiting for us. She's gonna show us this really unique property over there. Let's go.
Hey Johnny,
Hey,
nice
Elizabeth.
to see you.
Good
How
to
you
see you too.
doing?
I'm
Good,
doing
good.
great. How are you?
I know you have great taste, so
Oh,
I
thank
think
you.
you're gonna like this house. You wanna come check it out?
For sure, let's go
Let's
check it out.
do it.
Awesome, thanks. Is this a putting green? Is this part of the house?
Actually, it is. Can you believe it? This
Wow.
house has many surprises,
Yeah.
and this is one of them. Have you ever seen a $40,000 door?
I don't think I have.
Isn't this cool?
That is so cool.
And you can see them, but they cannot see
is
you.
that right?
Yeah.
Wow. I want that. Look at this.
Yep.
Is that a projector?
Yeah, so this is actually a Dolby Atmos, like the same that they use at the movie theaters.
Like the movie theater one.
Yeah, this is over $60,000. So just can you imagine watching football game here or just a
yeah,
movie?
I can
And
totally
it's surround system through the whole house.
Wow.
You have 21 feet high ceilings. I mean, they pay attention to every single detail. So Johnny, let me show you the main bathroom. I think you're gonna like it. So much quartz, and it's just beautiful. Yes. So Johnny, I know I show you a $40,000 door,
Yeah.
but if you want to settle for something less, how about a $20,000 garage door?
Okay.
Yeah.
$20,000 garage door. That's my
Let me
kinda
show it to
garage
you.
door. Wow, this is really a unique home.
Yeah,
It's fantastic.
awesome. I'm glad you like it. I knew you were gonna like it.
Oh, thank
Yes.
you. And you're right. I love it.
Yes.
Yeah. Thanks for having me.
No, thank you for stopping by.
of
Yeah, it's always
course.
nice to see you.
Of course. Likewise.
Awesome. Thank you.
Okay,
You have a
see
good
soon.
one. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.